Okay, Namaste all. My name is Joydeep Pal. I'm here again with a new video. Today's technique is fluid painting, and pour painting also we can call. Here we don't need to draw anything. We'll just mix one color with the another color, and then we'll create a very nice texture. Okay, so please subscribe my channel. Give some comments, like if you like, then like my video and share with others so that people can learn and they can enjoy. Now the time, it's very difficult time for everyone is at home, so they can enjoy for some time. And the joy of creation is very essential for every individual. And I hope everyone is safe and sounds at home and with your family. So let's start the video. Okay, so here I took one glass. Okay, uh, and now I'm going to keep one by one paint. So I'm keeping here some white paint. Here we need so much of paints. Okay, so much of paint is needed. And after this I'm keeping, so preferably if you want this paint to do, you can buy a big bottle of paints. Okay, but I have this stock with me in my stock, so I'm using it. So one after another. So I used this ultramarine blue, and now again little light color I will use. This is this turquoise green, or it's similar to the turquoise green. It's not exactly turquoise green. Very slowly you have to put the paint one after another, and you need to hold the glass tilted, little bit tilted, so otherwise the paint will go inside the deep inside the glass and it will mix with the other paint. It shouldn't mix. One after another layer has to be there. So I'm pouring here another light color of blue. Okay, and for this I'm using acrylic paint, and acrylic paint of, like, this Camel or a hobby acrylic. There are two type of acrylic very much famous in market, that is Fevicryl and Camlin acrylic paint. So again I'm going to keep some white paint. So one after another. This each bottle cost 20 rupees. So I am using near about 8 to 10 bottles of it. Okay, and this canvas, you can use board canvas or you can use stretch canvas. This board canvas size is I chose a little bit small size just to teach, but if you want a big one you can do that also. Make sure that you should not shake your hand which you are holding the glass. Okay, I am giving a little bit greenish effect even. This green got dry a little bit. It's liquidy still, but it's hard to come. Okay, no issues. I have another green, which is parrot green, but my intention is to make it like, this marine life type of thing. So I'm not using much of green and other colors. It's mostly like white or blue, different shades of blue and purplish color and all. Okay, now I'm ready with this. Okay, so under this like canvas, you can keep a waste cloth or waste paper, old newspaper or something, but I didn't keep anything because this surface is pretty slippery. I can clean it easily, so I didn't keep anything, but you can put these all things. Now I am pouring the color all over the canvas. Okay, and I'm keeping some white in between. Acha. Now I will tilt this towards down. Now with this side, and in this process the whole paint will drip onto your table. See how nice color blending, the color mixing is happening. And this actually naturally, if any artist cannot do the same technique like this texture, it comes automatically. Okay, this is the beauty of this painting. Like, it's every time you do, it will become some different texture. Okay, so that's how it is. So this is how I'm moving my canvas left to right, and like trying to fill the whole space of the canvas. So I'm dripping all the paints on the surface. So I'm trying to cover as much as possible the whole canvas, and see, such a beautiful texture has come. This is an abstract painting of marine life. In fact, we can do two canvases with the same paintings. You can see down how much paint is getting waste. If I could have put another, canvas under it, so that canvas too we could paint. Okay viewers, so here is the end result. So this is how we can do like pour painting, or fluid painting it's called. And like, if you like this video, please share it and subscribe my channel. Your subscription is very much needed for me. And please write your valuable comments in my video. Okay, so be safe, be healthy, be at home. Thank you so much.